Hey, it's your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and girl, sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little something. So I would just like to say welcome back. Thank you for joining. And as you can tell by the title, today we're doing June Plan With Me. So I'm using my fold out monthly inserts. As some of you may know, I do have an LV desk agenda that is the half letter size, and I've come from having the big happy planner with nice full size pages for the month. And so what I found is that although the half letter size works for me for all of my other planning needs, for my month, I really do need a larger view. So this is why I use this 2-page view of the month that's actually a fold out. So if you want to see what I do and how I plan for the month of June, stick around. So today what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing a summer sort of decor with my monthly planner. So I do have a couple of videos coming up, one on decor versus function, and just having the argument of whether or not you can have a decorative planner as well as a functional planner. I also have a video coming up on how to use color for decor and function. And so if you think you want to know more about those particular topics, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Go ahead, subscribe. You can subscribe. Subscribe now. You did it? Yay! But anyway, go ahead and subscribe if you want to know more about really how to use your planner, how I use my planner, not only to have an aesthetically pleasing setting, but to also use it to function. I am very busy. I'm a mom. I'm the only daughter. I'm also a wife. I also have a 9-to-5, and I'm an entrepreneur, an author, a business coach. So I'm super busy. So I really do rely upon my planner and other tools to keep me organized. But I do like decor. I do like things that are pleasing aesthetically. And so you'll kind of see that throughout my videos when I share my DIY home decor and just things that, different decorative things that I'm doing just to make my environment more pleasing. So I'm gonna stop talking, and then you guys can kind of see me work through the decor, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Hey. Welcome to the other side. And as you can see, I have my LV desk agenda. I'm getting ready to put my monthly inserts in here. So one of the things that I do, and so please make sure to turn on that notification bell, is that I do like to do my month in review. So you kind of see all the activities when I'm planning. And then at the end of the month, I do pop up like a little vlog with little snapshots of things that I've done throughout the month. The one thing that I want to point out to you is that I'm introducing to my channel this activity, brunching across South Florida. So one of the things that I've realized is that I live in South Florida, but I don't take advantage of all the many benefits and things associated with living in South Florida. So I wanted to go ahead and not only partake of it myself, but to also introduce my subscribers to South Florida. So that way, if you come to visit, you'll know where to go for a great brunch or different activities. So catch that out. The first Brunching Across South Florida will premiere this month. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead and turn on the notification bell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to fold up these inserts. I'm also on Clubhouse with the Collab Circle. And I wanted to just kind of point out to you all that we have 2 rooms every week. We'll be adding more rooms, but every week we have, on Fridays, we have Clappy Hour. So it's premiering June 11th, Clappy Hour. And this is where we have the opportunity for you to just talk about your wins for the week, things that you've accomplished. And what we try to do is just to continue to encourage you to go and to grow. And we also have on Monday on Clubhouse at 8 a.m. You can look us up by just typing in the Collab Circle. And on Mondays, we have where you set your goals for that week. Anything that you found that you're finding troublesome or daunting, or any activity that you're going to need assistance on, we're here to be your accountability partners. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our email list. If you go to www.collabcircle.net. Also, you can subscribe to my email list by going to www.teamumbook.com. These inserts can be found on the page. I've also linked everything that I've used today for planning. All of those things are linked in the description box below, including the tools that I use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold the pages and then pop them into my planner. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this planning session. I really do enjoy my time with my planner babes, and I just really enjoy planning. I don't know about you guys, but it really helps me to stay organized and to stay focused. This month also, and I know I've been promising this for a while, but this month we're actually going to, you guys see the fold outs and you see the things on the other side of the fold out. You see the planet plotted and to possess it. So this month we're going to do a session on how to do that. I may even offer a live webinar on mind mapping. So if you're interested in participating in the webinar, do go to www.teamumbook.com and subscribe to our email list. Make sure you add us to your contacts so that you can see all emails from us. So here is the month. We're gonna go ahead and plop this into our planner. I do planning consultations, so if you do want more assistance with how to use your planner more effectively, you can definitely take part in the planner consultations, and it also will help you customize your planner. So if you haven't seen my flip through, my current flip through for Q1, that's up, and I'll be sure to link that card here above. And I'll be doing a flip through of Q2, I cannot talk. I'm not even, my face isn't even on the camera. It's my hands, and I still can't talk. But anyway, a flip through a quarter 2 and how I have things set up will be available in July. So don't forget to turn on that notification bell. So we're gonna go ahead and get June plopped in. And so I usually use the washi, and sometimes I'll double tape it. Depends, I may go back and double tape it. But this is just how it looks in the planner, so you can see. Pretty, huh? Okay, so thank you everyone, and I just want to say thank you for joining the channel. For those of you who are my subscribers or have newly subscribed, welcome. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to not only subscribe, but to like this content if this is something that you enjoy seeing. Share this, share with your friends, those who you think may need assistance with planning. Also, just know we're over here at Forever Londa. We do all things planning. We do some lifestyle videos, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and do a little cooking. So welcome back. Hello, goodbye for now, and toodles, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye now.